Hello, I'm going to show you how to create a Google or Gmail account. Let's go click Gmail. And then click on Create an Account for personal use. Write your name. Go next. Write your date of birth. Okay, you can choose a mail or you can create your own mail address here. For example, you can say John Doe 123, okay? But I want to choose this mail address. That's okay for me. Go next. Let's create a password. You can watch my video about how to create a strong password here. I wrote my password wrong. Let's try again. And click next. All right, it says give me a recovery email address. Let's skip this for now. Go next. And agree the terms. It will take a while to create the account. You should wait a little bit. That's it. We have created our Google account. Subscribe my channel for more tips. If you have any questions, you can write in the comments below. See you in the next video.